Hi everybody, Dizzy Nails and Beauty here. These are the nails we're going to create today using majority of Tia's Beauty products. And the first one we're going to go in with is High Vis, and this is a very bright yellow. And we're going to place this down on the little finger, just slightly away from the cuticle. This hand is not the easiest to work with because it is a silicone hand and the tips are forever falling out. I'm just fighting with a fly there, and we're just going to lay this down. Don't necessarily need it to be a solid colour because we will be coming in with a glitter later on. And we're just going to put the tip bead on and then blend that down. And now we're going to come in with the cuticle bead and make sure that's nice and flush with the cuticle, and then blend that down over the rest of the nail. And once you're happy with that, then we can move on to the next fingers, and I literally do every one in the yellow apart from the ring finger. When we've done that, we're going to come in with Solar Rays, also from Tia's Beauty. This is an absolute stunning glitter. It's actually stunning without the yellow underneath it. I just feel like the bright yellow underneath it makes it pop more. Though this is a standalone acrylic on its own is gorgeous and very bright too. And we're going to put that on all of the yellow nails. I wasn't originally going to put them all on the yellow nails, but then as soon as I seen it, I knew I was, because it's just stunning. And I have worn this on, you've just seen it on my giraffe nails. It's probably one of my favourite Tia Beauty's acrylics in the colour, well, the glitter range. Then you just want to cap, and I'm using the crystal clay from Tia's Beauty and capping all of those. And you're probably wondering why I'm capping and not even done the previous one. And that's because we're going to be coming in with a black, and I didn't want that to interfere with my monomer or stain it or anything like that. So just try and keep everything as clean as you possibly can, and just do the dark colours later on. If that means capping first, then go for it. And here's that said one. It's the Tia's Beauty in black. This is the lovely black to actually work with. And we're just going to do the same routine as the previous set by starting it just after the cuticle, and then once you're happy with that, then go your last bead in with around the cuticle area, keeping it nice and neat. Although I didn't do the tip, and here we are with the tip. Once happy with that, and then you can go ahead and cap that in the clear also. I have to say, I didn't show the filing on this, and I do apologise, it's just so awkward with this hand. And then this is the first time using the SBD London Spider Gel, and I have to admit this was so much easier than the ones I'd got from AliExpress. I couldn't believe the difference in it. My only mistake was I should have flash cured the finger I first did, and I didn't. So by the time I'd actually came to cure both of them, the first one I'd done was actually a bit wilder. And then we're coming in with the Nail Gaga stamping thingamajig, some more in black and a steampunk plate in one. But this is basically where I'm going to leave you, because I put it on and then it messed up, then my battery died, and then basically I didn't get to film the rest of it. I did put the new battery in, but obviously missed to put the press recording. so you'll see me washing off, but I just wanted to share with you the other products that I did actually use, which are the foil gel from Neo Nails, these foils which I think was from SBD London, if not they was from Shein. Then I've used these cogs and from clock bits, and I've had them for years. And then I've used these gemstones from Wish, I think it was, and then we used these beads from SBD London as well. And then to stick them down with, this is the glue I'd used, or the gel I'd used. And then I topped it all off with the SBD London tempering top coat. So I know it's only a short video, but I hope you've enjoyed it, and these are the finished results. And thanks for watching, and I shall see you soon. Bye.